Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I have some new projects that I wanted to share with you that I'm working on. One of them is a hoop earring, but it's got like a kind of a shell bead there and very pretty blue beads. So this is one of the earrings that I've been working on. I like that. They turned out very different and pretty. And this is another one. It's a shell bead as well, kind of a little bit, I guess, a messy wire kind of earring, but I worked a little bit with wiring my beads, and so put that on a fish hook or an ear wire, and that's how it turned out. So if you're interested in how I made those earrings, keep watching. All right, again, I'm glad that everyone is here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the blue beaded one first. So you need a bead like that, like a shell bead. And then you'll need, you can really use whatever beads you want. I found these at Michael's. They have really pretty beads there. Found those beads. And then you can make your own hoop. And I have videos on my channel about how you make your own hoop earrings out of the copper wire. But this one was pre-made. Also from Michael's. And let's get started. So what I do is place my blue beads on the tip there. Put about 5, and then I put the shell bead kind of in the middle. And they turn out really pretty. And they're super easy to make. I love hoops. All right, and let's put that in the middle there. And then we'll add about 5 more of the blue beads, and you're done. Hard to find the hole sometimes there. There it goes. All right. I think I add one more. Those were on the smaller side. Okay. And there you have it. Now you just kind of straighten your wire out and take a pair of the pliers, the needle nose pliers, and kind of maybe about 1 centimeter. You put, make the stem go up so that it will fit into the looped part right there. And there you have your earring. I like these, they really turned out nice. Really cute. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the first earring. Our next one will look like this when we're done. Okay, so we need a shell bead, and then we need our 24 gauge wire. And if you want lots of wrapping, then you'll need a long piece, like maybe, I don't know, 20 centimeters or something like that. So I find my hole in the bead, in the shell bead, and I think I'm gonna use a different bead, maybe one that looks like that. Let's see how this one works. Okay, put my wire through the bead, and then you want to leave a little bit up at the top. So I measured the first earring, and between the distance of the wiring and the ear wire, it's like 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna try to match that, or like 4 centimeters or so. So our ear wire should be up there somewhere. Let's see, that right? Okay, it's right about, oh, it's 1 inch. Okay, not 1.5, it's about 1 inch. Where ear wire ends up being at the top there, so I'm gonna make this a little bit under 1 inch, the second piece there, so we can wrap it well, and there won't be anything, you know, sticking in anyone's ear or anything like that. So I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and make an angle here, and then come back around and start wrapping, basically. Okay, so there's the part where your ear wire would go, and you kind of flatten that back out, and we just wrap. I want to go down there at the bottom and make sure everything is secure here. And at some point, you could stop with the needle nose pliers and kind of use your hands. And see how flexible this 24 gauge wire is? You need quite a bit of it, depending on how much wrapping you'd like to be seen. But you need a long piece. And then it's not precise or anything. It's kind of rustic looking. And then you secure the wire so nothing is going to be sticking you in the ear when you put it on, or if you're giving it as a gift, nothing will be sticking anybody in the ear. Okay, and there you have it. We add our ear wire, and we're done. And where's my ear wire? Okay, so now it's time to add our ear wire. Here we go. And then you close it up there. If you have this kind of a fish hook. Okay, and then you have your nice rustic wire work on your shell bead. Really cute. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye-bye. Until next video.